Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're following me on Instagram, and if you don't, you should, search for West Hampshire, you'll find me there. I posted a picture of this little doodad, and it's made from 3/4 inch PVC pipe. What it is, it's a cell phone holder. This snaps onto my phone, and I can shake it, it doesn't come out. It holds it in there very securely. I also added a piece of wood in the bottom that has a 1/4 inch hole so that it fits a tripod mount. So this isn't my design. I saw a video on YouTube and the guy didn't show how he made it, he just explained how he did it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make it. So what I have here is a piece of 3/4 inch PVC pipe. This is a used piece of pipe that I had laying around. It's kind of dirty and grungy, but it's okay, it'll work just fine. So to make one like this, you need about 6 inches of pipe. But I'm going to keep this one long, so it's going to be kind of like a selfie stick or a handheld camera stick thingamajig or whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to keep it long. But if you want one to fit a tripod, you just need about 6 inches of pipe. I made mine to fit this microphone stand that I had, and I made this years ago to hold a camera, or actually I made it to hold a GoPro. But I just put a 1/4 inch hole in the bottom of it and a piece of wood that's screwed inside, and it just fits over that, and it's enough to hold it. So what you want to do is you want to draw a line halfway in the middle of your pipe. I'm just using my finger as a guide. And you're going to want to draw that line 4.5 inches down. You could cut this on a bandsaw, that'd probably be the easiest, but I'm going to use a handsaw because my bandsaw right now is out of service. So cut down the middle of this pipe until you reach your 4.5 inch mark. So now that you have that piece cut away, what we're going to do is we're going to take a heat gun. You could do this with a propane torch, but you have to be very careful that you don't burn it. It can easily burn with a torch, but I prefer to use a heat gun. And we're going to heat this up till it's really nice and warm and flexible, and we're going to sandwich it between 2 pieces of wood on my vise, and we're going to keep it there till it cools. And we'll be left with a nice flat piece of material here to work with. It doesn't take very long to get this pliable. Like, it's already starting to get soft. Just keep the heat on there. Usually you can tell if you shake it, it'll start to flop around. That's when you kind of know that it's ready. You can see there it's flopping around now. We're gonna get it really nice and pliable. Yeah, clamp it in there real nice and tight. Should only take about a couple of minutes for that to cool down. So as you can see, the inside of my pipe is pretty dirty, but I'm going to clean that up with some sandpaper. But if you notice, it's not very straight. So what I've come up with is to just taper it. And you could do that with a handsaw or with a bandsaw. That's probably the quickest way, but like I said, my bandsaw is out of service right now. So I'm going to go over to my belt sander, and I'm just going to sand it till I have the shape that I'm after. Now that we have the shape that we want, we're just going to cut like a 45-degree angle down. And that is so that your phone does not slip out in the bottom. This doesn't have to be an exact 45-degree angle, just kind of guess at it. And I'm just going to clean up my edges with a file. And some sandpaper. So what we're going to do now is we're going to heat up this top 2 inches with the heat gun again until it's really nice, soft, and pliable. And then we're going to take our phone and we're going to set it in there, and we're going to bend it over and then hold it so that we have a little hook on it. Let me get the one that I made. So we're going to try to get this profile on it. It could be pretty warm, so you might want to wear gloves doing this, but I don't find it too bad. And I would just say hold it for probably about 30 seconds to a minute. And my phone is a little bit loose in it, so what we're gonna do to fix that, and it's really easy, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna heat this up here a bit and give it a slight bend in, and that will take all the slop out. You don't wanna heat it up too much because this will naturally wanna start to straighten out then. Kinda bend it in like that and just hold it till it cools. Also, as it cools, the PVC, it shrinks a little bit as well, which eventually makes it more snug too. So there you have it. It's a quick and easy cell phone holder that holds it very securely. And you can shake it, it won't fall out. I have no doubts that this will hold your phones no problem. I mean, it's custom, it's only custom to this phone in this case. Obviously if I take my phone out of its case, it's not gonna work. Now I'm leaving mine long like this so I can, you know, have something to hang on to. But you could cut it down like I did for mine and put a block of wood in there that fits a 1/4 bolt. That works as well. Or what you could do is you could cut it down and you could put a threaded adapter on it and you could make a tripod out of PVC pipe and this would just thread on there. That would work as well. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you found it useful. If you're like me, I started my YouTube channel out filming with an iPhone and I wish I had come across this a lot sooner. It's pretty slick. So if you're new to my channel, I encourage you to hit that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so you're never miss when I upload a new video. And like always, we'll see you in the next one.